Hey Smarties! In my previous video, we have learned the numbers from 1 to 6. We also learned when to use the feminine and the masculine form of number. Just in case if you haven't watched that or you've missed it out, please click on this eye or I'm gonna put the link in my description box. Without further ado, let's begin in today's video. In today's video, we are gonna cover some new vocabulary and use these new words to put them. We then are going to use these words that we've already learned and put them in the there is or there are sentences. Starting with number 1. Number 1 is واحد or واحدة. Book is كتاب. One book كتاب واحد. كتاب واحد. Now, if we want to say there is one book, you say there is هناك هناك one book كتاب واحد. هناك كتاب واحد. Hope it's clear. Let's do another example with an egg. Egg is بيضة. بيضة. One egg. بيضة واحدة. بيضة واحدة. To say there is one egg, you say هناك بيضة واحدة. هناك بيضة واحدة. If you're wondering why I said واحدة and not واحد, واحد because egg is a feminine noun. And feminine noun is gonna go with the feminine number. And therefore, we only use واحد for the masculine noun, which I've already explained it in this. Click on this eye icon if you don't know how to identify the gender of a noun. So here we go. Now it's your turn. How to say there is one boy. There is one boy. How to say that in Arabic. Pause the video and have a go. You can write it in the comment section. Okay. Boy is ولد. ولد. One. واحد. واحد. There is one boy. هناك ولد واحد. هناك ولد واحد. Say it after me. هناك ولد واحد. هناك ولد واحد. Good job. Now let's do another example. How to say there is one woman. There is هناك one is either واحد or واحدة. But since women is a feminine noun, so we're gonna say واحدة. هناك امرأة واحدة. هناك امرأة واحدة. Brilliant, 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 if you can say it that. So for now, I want you to identify which of the following photos you think is هناك سمكة واحدة. هناك سمكة واحدة. There is one fish. Well done. Next. هناك كتاب واحد. هناك كتاب واحد. Well done. There is one book. Next. هناك رجل واحد. هناك رجل واحد. Good job. There is one man. Next. هناك قلم واحد. هناك قلم واحد. Well done. There is one pen. Great job. We've done so far the singular form. Let's move to the dual. Dual is two, which means اثنان or اثنتان. The good thing about dual is just that we only gonna add alif and noon to the end of a noun. Let me show you with the hints of an example. Phone is هاتف. هاتف. It's a new word. I have not spoken about it. But phone is هاتف. How to say there is one phone. هناك هاتف واحد. But for dual, there are two phones. You say هناك هاتفان. هناك هاتفان. Another example, fish, سمكة, which is a feminine noun. هناك سمكة واحدة. There is one fish. But for doll, two fish, you say هناك سمكتان. هناك سمكتان. We simply gonna put alif and noon to the end of the word, and that's it. This is dual. Just to make sure you've got the concept right, which of the two photos is هناك بيضتان. هناك بيضتان. That's correct. There are two eggs. هناك طفلان. هناك طفلان. Well done. There are two children or two kids. Well done, everyone. We've covered dual. Let's move to our last part of the video, which are the plurals. Now, just in case if you don't know about the plurals, in Arabic, one is singular, two, dual, three, and more is considered to be plural. We do have a plural masculine and a plural feminine, just like the singular form. So, how to say there are 6 balls. Ball, one ball is كرة. كرة. Balls, كرات. كرات. So we say there are هناك 6 ست ball كرات. هناك 6 كرات. هناك 6 كرات. That's how we say it. Why 6 and not ستة? Therefore, because ball is a feminine noun. Another example, there are 4 women. There are هناك 4. It's either أربعة or أربع. Since it is a feminine noun, we're gonna go with أربع. Women, نساء. You say it هناك 4 نساء. هناك 4 نساء. Guessing that's everything for today. Before we end up this video, let me do some exercises for you just to make sure everything is there. So in this photo, there are 5 balls. هناك 5 or 5 كرات. That's right, 5 كرات. Why? Because balls is a feminine noun. هناك 5 كرات. Well done. Next, which of the following is هناك 3 أولاد. هناك 3 أولاد. If you think I'm going so fast, you could pause the video and have a go. Okay. هناك 3 أولاد. It is the photo with there are 3 boys. Next one. هناك 4 نساء. هناك 4 نساء. Well done. There are 4 women. And last but not least, هناك 6 كتب. هناك 6 كتب. Great job. There are 6 books. And now I could say we are done for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give it a like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done that already. See you in the next video. Wadaan.